Good morning and thanks for watching Coffee with Kren. Today we're going to show you InfoSparks. This is your new way of running stats in Paragon. So you're going to have this access to InfoSparks on April 9th, and you'll see it on my screen here. This is what it's going to look like. You're going to be able to run stats according to price range, property type, bedrooms, square footage, year built. You're going to be able to look at new listings, active listings, under contract, sold, and so on. You guys can select from different counties, cities, zip codes. You guys are going to be able to use a map to draw an area to get the stats for. So this is going to be your new way. Forget any other way that you guys have ever ran stats. This is going to be your go-to for your statistical reporting. Coming your way April 9th. This is a little sneak preview.